well. Now, since I have observed that you all are not attending your Google Meet class, that's why I have decided so I should switch over to the video form only, so that I can cover the maximum number of children using my video and going through my video and get the idea what will be. Okay. Now, since your half yearly examination is ahead and we have already started our revision, so today I am going to revise the chapter, that is understanding quadrilaterals. Clear? So I will not solve all the textbook questions. I will just revise the concept. Okay. So and while I am teaching, what are the topic I am covering, please be careful. From that area I can set MCQ type question, fill in the blanks, true, false, yes, no. This type of questions I may cover whatever I am discussing. So this is my request to you all. So you all will follow my today's class minutely. Basically this chapter, whatever the type of question revising, that question will not come, but that pattern of question will definitely come. Okay, get ready for that. First of all, what is polygon? What is polygon? We have to know. Polygon means what? A simple closed curved figure made by line segment is called polygon. A simple closed curved figure made by line segment is called polygon. So types. What are the different types of polygon? So polygon basically two types. One is concave polygon, another is convex polygon. Concave and convex. So we have to know categorically what is concave and what is convex. Concave and convex. Convex polygon. Poly means multiple, gon means side, multiple side combination. So that will come later on. So concave polygon. First you have to know concave polygon. Okay. Concave polygon is what type of concave polygon? You see like this star. Shape of star. Then L, shape L. You see, when a polygon, this is polygon because this is made by line segment. This is polygon, but you see one or two angles, one or many angles, okay, one or many. So all the interior angles, when the measure of all interior angles, okay, is more than 180 degree. Be careful. When any one or more interior angle is more than 180 degree. If I measure with the help of protractor, it will be more than 180 degree. If I measure here also, it will be more than 180 degree. So these are what? Concave polygon. When any one of the interior angle is greater than 180 degree, straight away this is concave polygon. Okay, and convex polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon, how will you say? Say here. So if you measure with the help of protractor, none of the angle will be more than 180 degree. When any none of the angle is on an interior angle, I am talking about the interior angle is 180 degree, 180 degree, definitely it will be a convex polygon. So I have understood concave and convex, very important part. I can set MCQ question. In case of concave polygon, interior angle one or more will be greater than 180 degree. obviously, then this figure is not star, L, plus sign, whatever it is. This is more than 180 degree. That's why it is made by line segment also. This is not the polygon. So here, each angle, interior angle is less than 180 degree. That's why it is convex polygon. But before that, I should say one thing. Polygon. What is polygon? Say I said a simple closed curved figure made by line segment is called polygon. Question is that how can I identify? Polygon always will be 2D shaped. So it is also made by line segment. You see, this is cuboid. Okay. Then this is cone. Here, then cube. Cube. So are they polygon? These are made by line segment only? No, this is not polygon. Not a polygon. Why? Not a polygon. Polygon. Because polygon should be always two-dimensional shape. Two-dimensional shape. That is length and breadth it has. Okay. But you see, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. When any object having 3 dimension, so the 3-dimensional object is not a polygon. But this object is made by flat rectangle. Okay, rectangle is 2D shaped object, but when it combines, 2 6 face combine such a way, so it forms a cuboid, and that time cuboid is not a polygon. It is a 3-dimensional shape. So that means polygon should be always 2-dimensional flat shape, okay, made by line segment, and 3-dimensional shape will never be a polygon. Understood? So thereafter it is coming concave and convex. Concave means what? Made by line segment, I have shown you, but interior angle 1 or more is greater than 180 degree, then it will not be a concave polygon. When none of the interior angle is 180 degree, more than, it should be less than, always less than, then it will be a convex polygon. Okay, now I am coming again regarding the convex polygon. Convex polygon, this one. Convex polygon again 2 types. Regular convex polygon, irregular convex polygon. What is the meaning of regular and irregular? Now listen, earlier also, those who have video clip which I sent earlier 2-3 months back, okay, so you can go through that video also. Detailed discussions is here. Today I'll just give a summary of entire chapter. Okay, so in that cases, previous video I have made 2-3 video for one chapter. You can go through, you can use that area also. Side by side, I have given you so many PDF file. Okay, you can use that also for what half yearly exam. MCQ, fill in the blanks, true, false, and descriptive type question will be there. You will solve this descriptive type question on your notebook. Get the result. Check where it is given, A, B, C, D option. Whatever it is there, put tick mark or select that part. Understood? So this way. Now I am talking about the convex polygon, regular convex polygon. Regular means when regular what is there? Regular means sides and interior angle. Size and interior angles. Okay, when a convex polygon having each side and each interior angles equal in measure, equal in measure, side, all side will be equal, and all interior angle will be equal, then it is called regular convex polygon. And irregular, when it does not have, okay, irregular polygon, irregular convex polygon, irregular convex polygon. Irregular convex polygon means side equal, angles not equal, angle equal, sides are not equal. Clear? So I can give you one example also. You see, sides equal, angles are not equal. That's why I will say it is convex, irregular convex polygon. You see, all sides equal. Now if I draw from here, so this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. It is a 5-sided figure, pentagon. Okay, I will come to that part also. All sides are equal, but you see, all angles are equal. No, this angle to 90 degree, it is greater than 90 degree, it is less than 90 degree. When sides equal, angles not equal, or angles equal, sides not equal, that figure is called irregular convex polygon. Okay, and sides and angle both are equal, then you can say regular convex polygon. So when we need to find out the measure of number of sides or the measure of angle each, okay, then the figure must be regular. If it is not regular, I can find out what is the total interior angle, what is the total exterior angle, but I cannot find out how many numbers of side and what is the measure of each interior angle until and unless the figure is regular. Mind it. If the figure is regular, then only we can. If the figure is not regular, we cannot find out the what are the different types of quadrilateral it is. Okay. So now, have you understood regular, irregular? Regular polygon. So it is irregular. Sides are equal, but angle not equal. So regular figure is this. This side, this side, this side equal, this angle, this angle, this angle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, regular. First regular convex polygon is this irregular. Understood? Equilateral triangle is the first polygon, and equilateral triangle is the first polygon, and equilateral triangle is the first regular polygon. Okay, then I can say square, regular, but rectangle, angles are all 90 degree, but sides are not equal. So that's why this is irregular. Rhombus, all sides are equal, but angles are not equal. Rhombus, rectangles are irregular convex polygon. Square and equilateral triangles are regular polygon. Sides and angle, when both are equal in measure, then it will be regular polygon. Otherwise, if side equal, angle not equal, angle equal, side not equal, in that situations, the figure will be irregular convex polygon. So our discussion level will be the convex polygon will be not only concave. Concave only just you have to identify which is concave and which is convex. Okay. Now I am coming how to find out the diagonal. How to find out the diagonals of polygon, convex polygon. I am talking about the convex only. Forget about the concave. Concave is a type of polygon, and I have told you what will be the concave polygon. On that basis, one MCQ type of question may be failed, but I cannot find out the measure of angle and others. Okay, our discussion sites will be what? Convex polygon, regular, irregular. Okay, now diagonals. Next is diagonal. Diagonals of convex polygon. Diagonals of convex polygon. What is called diagonal? Say this one. What is this? Parallelogram or rectangle, or it is not having the regular shape. Okay. This is what? Parallelogram, double LGM, parallelogram. Okay, how many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals. The diagonals, how can I define? Diagonals is a line segment of a convex polygon. Diagonal is a line segment that joins 2 alternate vertices. So if I start from here, it will not be counted. The next will be this. If I start from here, it will not be counted. Next will be this. This and these 2 are what? Diagonals. Diagonals is a line segment that joins 2 alternate vertices of a convex polygon. Question is that if the number of side increases, number of diagonal also increases. Then how can I remember that this many diagonal? What are the defined forms of polygon? If 3 sides are there, then it is called triangle. 4 sides, quadrilateral, and quadrilateral having defined name also. जैसे trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, special type of quadrilateral. They are called special type because we have to learn their property, and on that property different type of question might be framed. Okay, mind it. The rectangle and square. Square is the type of quadrilateral which satisfy all the properties of quadrilateral. Okay. Anyway, that will come later on. So diagonal. So to remember how to find out the diagonal, we have to remember the one formula. D, number of diagonal equals to n square minus 3n by 2. This is the formula. Okay, where n refers to number of sides. Say, example, triangle. How many diagonals does it have? Okay, how many sides of a triangle? 3. 3 square, 9. Minus 3 into n, 3. 3 is a 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So in case of triangle, there is no diagonal. Number of diagonal is 0. So square. How many sides of a square? 4. 4 square, 16. 16 minus 3 into 4, 12. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. So that means in case of quadrilateral or any type of particular special type of quadrilateral, so then it has only 2 diagonals. Then pentagon. 5 square, 25. 25 minus 3 into 5, n refers to 5. So 15. So 25 minus 15 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that means in case of pentagon, number of diagonals is 5. So if you remember this formula, easily you can find out the number of diagonals. Yesterday, Shunidhi from section A, I have uploaded so many type of PDF file earlier. She asked me one question from the PDF file. If I tell you, if I give you the number of diagonals, okay, number of diagonals of a polygon, how can we identify how many sides does it have? Very interesting question. But in this case, a little advanced level is there. One of the algebraic chapter, that is factorization. Factorizations I have not done. I will cover this question to you all. Shunidhi, are you listening? I think. Okay. So get the idea how to find out if I say number of diagonals of a figure, how can we identify how many sides of it? So diagonals of a figure, diagonals of a polygon polygon is equal to 27. How many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? So for this we need the help of factorizations. Okay, formula. You see, we know what we know. First of all, you put that formula. D equals to n square minus 3n by 2. Which value is given? D is given. Okay? Or here D is the 27 equals to n square minus 3n by 2. Okay? Now you just follow this cross multiplication. So cross multiplication is there, 27 into 2. 2 into 27 equals to n square minus 3n. Okay? Or 54 equals to n square minus 3n. Listen carefully, Shunidhi. For you only I am telling you, because this is little advanced level, not for all. So now 54 equals to, it is a kind of equation, or n square minus 3n. If I shift this 54 here, it will be minus 54. Then what will happen is equal to nothing, 0. So this is the what type of this one is what type of equation? Quadratic equation. Here this equation I will solve by middle term factorizations. Middle term, with the help of middle term factorizations, I have to find out what is the value of n here. That you just listen. Just watch it, my video. You will come to know how to find out the number of. I am rubbing it. I think you have written. I have given many time. If not possible, pause the video. It is not the Google class, so you can do it after also. Therefore, main question is what? N square minus 3n minus 54 equals to 0. So factorization is not there. That's why I cannot discuss what is middle term factorizations. So for then entire chapter will be gone. Okay, I am just solving it. Or middle term factorization main concept, you have to break down the middle number into such way so that its product should be the first term and last term, and plus minus will be the middle term. So n square minus 3n, how will you get? 9 minus 6. And 9 minus 6 is what? 3. And 9 into 6 is what? 54. 6 9 is 54. Product, we have to break down the middle into two number in such a way whose product will be the first term and last term, and plus minus after getting this is the middle term. That equals to plus minus 4 equals to 0, or n square, if we remove open the bracket, minus 9n plus 6n minus 54 equals to 0, or what is common here? What is common here? N is common, then n minus 9 into what is common here? What is common here? 6 common. So n minus 9 equals to 0. That means n is a common, n minus 9 is a common factor. N minus 9, one common factor. Another factor is the n plus 6. N plus 6 is a common factor, that equals to 0. So I can say this is not your level. You will come to know afterward. So n minus this equals to 0, and 6 plus 9 plus 6 equals to 0, or n equals to, if I shift this number here, minus 1. Here n plus 6 equals to 0, or n equals to minus 6. So what we are finding? We are finding the number of sides. So number of sides of any polygon cannot be negative. So minus 6, a value of minus 6 is neglected. This is neglected. You have to ignore this value. So therefore n equals to 9. So hence it is the nano one. Okay, the number of sides of that particular polygon is 9. Are you clear? This is also side, but we are rejecting it since its value is negative, and we know polygons with a negative number of sides cannot be possible. Okay, that's why this is neglected. Only you have to find out or to accept this value n equals to 9. N has two value, negative value we have neglected. positive value taken. So n equals to 9. But that means 9-sided polygon is nanogon, 10-sided polygon is decagon. After that, what will name it? 11 gon, 12 gon, 13 gon, 14 gon, 15 gon. Okay, this is the way. Now you have to check. You can check back also whether your answer is correct or not. You can check back. So if 9 is there, 9 square means 81, minus 3 into 9, 27. 81 minus 27 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. However, if 27 is given the number of diagonals of this figure. So this is correct. So this is little advanced level. Since you have asked me question, I have given you answer side by side. Other students also benefited. This way also you can find how many sides of a figure. So this is diagonal related questions already is gone. Now exterior and interior angle. Okay. Exterior and interior angle of this figure. Clear? How you find out exterior, interior? Exterior angle. Next is exterior angle of a polygon. Convex polygon. You have to name it. Always we are talking about convex polygon. Okay. Exterior angle. So convex polygon. First convex polygon is the triangle. So triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, anagon, decagon, 11 gon, 12 gon, whatever it is. Number of sides increases, name also changes. But one thing is not changed. That is total sum of exterior angle of any type of convex polygon is fixed. That is 360 degree. If I find out the exterior angle of a triangle, it will be 360. Exterior angle of hexagon 360, exterior angle of decagon 360. So this can be said as an MCQ type of question. Okay, or of the fill in the blanks or true false, whatever it is. So exterior angle of any convex polygon is fixed and its value is 360 degree. Okay, so exterior angle exterior polygon for all convex polygon is 360 degree. Clear? 360 degree. Okay. Now, if this figure is regular, then I can find out if degree is given, I can find out the number of side. If side is given, I can find out the degree of exterior angle. Its measure of its exterior angle. Clear? Measure of its exterior angle I can find out this way. If degree is there. Okay? Exterior angle 360. Suppose example this way. Suppose exterior angle of a polygon is 18 degree. Exterior angle of a convex polygon is, question is given, exterior angle of a convex polygon is 18 degree. How many sides does it have? Question is there. So many options are given. How to find out? So what is the example? Exterior angle of a regular, until and unless regular word is there, I cannot find out the edge. Mind you, regular convex polygon is 18 degree. How many sides does it have? So we know the number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by each. Cut 20 sides. That means main concept is what? If I know the number of sides, I can find out the measure of each angle, exterior angle. If I know the exterior measure of each exterior angle, then divide by 360 degree, divide 60 by sides, you will get angle. Divide 360 by degree, you will get side. So angle से divide करोगे तो you will get the side. If you divide it by side, you will get angle. This is very important area you have to remember. So basically, I have given one example. I can set so many type of example. But now interior angle of polygon, interior angle of convex polygon, regular, irregular. So interior angles, of sum of interior angles of a convex polygon equals to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2 into what? I can set this one also as a question, this property. Now, if I know the figure is regular, then I can find out each measure of each interior angle. Therefore, measure of each interior angle of a convex polygon is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree by n. Total angle divided by number of side will be each. Okay? Or I have given the exterior angle of a polygon is 10 degree. Okay? How many side does it have? And what will be the measure of interior angle? One nice combination you have to remember in your mind. This is how many side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon. If I extend any side, this is exterior. Okay? An activity also have done long before Samabeg. So this is exterior. If this figure is regular, then only each relation you can find out. Remember, if I say exterior angle is 10 degree, what will be the interior angle? This one, 180 minus 10. Because interior and exterior always will form linear pair. So if my question is, exterior angle of a polygon is 10 degree, I am asking how many sides does it have and what will be the measure of interior angle. The interior angle state, it is 10, so it is 180 minus 10, that is 170 degree. Okay, and how many sides does it have? No need to follow the interior angle formula. Always you remember this exterior angle formula. It is very easy. 360 divided by side is equal to angle. 360 degree divided by angle equals to side. And exterior and interior always will form linear pair. If exterior is given 180 minus exterior is given interior. If interior is given 180 degree minus interior equals to exterior angle. So this beautiful combination is there. You can solve whatever it is. Okay. Now question, one of the peculiar type of question you can frame. Suppose is it possible to have the interior angle of a polygon, say मान लो 155 डिग्री, मतलब किसी एक रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन में, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन एंड सेइंग कि इज इट पॉसिबल टू हैव each interior angle of that polygon is 150 degree. So if 150 degree is interior, then what should be the exterior? 180 minus 150, that is 25. Now 360 degree divided by 25 is, if you cut, it is 5, then 7, 35, and then 2. So 72 by 5, that is coming what? So 1, 2.5. Okay? Or what? 32, 4, 14. So it will be 14 point something. So 2 carry 2, 4 carry 2, 4. 14.4. Abhi kya answer doge? So after division, so if I divided by degree, 25 degree exterior angle, interior angle I said 155, exterior angle will be 25, 360 by 25 is coming 14.4. So is it possible to have a polygon? No. 14.4 sides, number of sides cannot be decimal. It should be a whole number. Are you clear? When the answer after division is coming, degree can be decimal, but number of sides cannot be decimal. Okay, that's why no, it is not possible to have an interior angle of a polygon is 155. So I am talking about the interior angle, we will convert into exterior angle. Okay, interior angle is 155, then exterior angle will be what? 180 minus 125. Now number of sides 360 by 25, it is coming 14.4. So 14.4 is a decimal number. Number of sides cannot be decimal. Hence, this concept is wrong. This is not possible to have any polygons having 150 degree, 55 degree as an interior angle. Have you understood? Interior and exterior angle. Clear? So on the basis of the interior and exterior angle, different type of what? Your question might be set. So one example I am giving you. So find the missing angle. So this interior, exterior. So you have to apply the formula of either interior or exterior. Say this figure. Okay. This angle, this angle, this angle. So मान लो this one is 5x, this one is 4x, so 6. Suppose this one is 7x, this one is 3x, this one is 2x. What is the measure of x? What I will do? I know all sum together. What will be the angle? 360 degree. So therefore 7x plus 3x plus 2x equals to 360 degree, because exterior angle of the polygon is fixed 360 degree. So 12x equals to 360 degree, or x equals to 360 degree by 12. Cut 30 degree. So here, so x equals to 30 degree. This way missing angle definitely it will come. I am telling you, interior or exterior. So you can, so many questions given in your book, textbook, say like this question, I am solving it. How can I find out this measure of this angle? So simple type of condition is here. So I have given one exterior angle rule, and I am giving you now one interior angle rule. Say this figure, okay? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon. So this is, these two angles are equal. This angle, मान लो, I will change the figure, 50 degree, okay? And this is, मान लो, what? 70 degree. And this is what? This measure will be 80 degree, okay? What will be the measure of x? These two angles. How can you find out? First, what is the figure? It is a, first you have to identify it is a pentagon, 5 sides. What is the, therefore total interior angle is what? What is the measure of total interior angle? N minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is, if you remember the number of angles, so you can do it quickly, 3 into 180 degree, so this is 540 degree. Now 540 degree, how can I establish as the equation here? Okay, now therefore what I will do, now this one you have to find out 1, this 2, angle 1 will be what? 180 degree minus 70. Why? Linear pair. So inner and outer always will form linear pair. So angle 1 will be 110 degree. Are you clear? Now 110 degree. And angle 2 will be 180 degree minus 80 degree. Reason? Do same. So it is coming 100 degree. Now you have got this one is the 110 and this is 100. Up this is 50 and x and x. Now establish what is the total interior angle of pentagon? 540. So x plus 110 plus 100 plus 50 equals to 540 degree. Have you understood? So whatever the missing part was there, some sort of missing will be there. You will calculate, and this calculation only will be on your notebook only. So exterior and interior will be linear pair have got 110. Interior exterior linear pair have got 100. Now 100, 110, x plus 50 should be equals to 540 degree. 2x equals to, if I shift this part that side, 540 minus, so 210, 260. Okay, so 2x equals to 260, 0, then 8, 0. If I find 0, then subtract 6, 8, carry 1, 3, 280 degree, or x equals to 280 by 2 equals to 140 degree, or x equals to 140 degree. So here x is equal to 140 degree, 140 degree. This way missing angle. Whatever the textbook question is there, you don't think that will come. I will change the measurement, but concept is same. You have to follow this. So first, what does it? Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, total angle I want. After that, if any angle is missing, you need to calculate exterior, interior, always linear pair, and then finally missing is this 2x. I have to find out the value of x. So it will be first one. This one is this way 1, 2, 3, 4 angle missing cannot be possible. Okay, so you have to find out the link. This and this will be linear pair. This and this will be linear pair. Find out this result. After that, total interior angle is 540. If it is a pentagon, if it is a hexagon, the result will be changed. Okay, accordingly you have to change your measurement. Now all 5 angles coming 140. After a solution, I am getting x is equal to 140. Okay, these are the questions given in your textbook also. You will practice. Clear? You will practice. In my next class tomorrow, I will be covering a special type of quadrilateral and some relations. Okay, and some missing angle also. So tomorrow I will cover it and I will finish your revision, this understanding quadrilateral. And whatever the area I have covered, please you have to remember very nicely. Question will be from that part only. Okay? Don't think, no need to study more. You concentrate what I am explaining. Whatever I am explaining all the time cannot be given in written form. You have to pick up from my class discussion also. Okay? Then no more today. Tomorrow again we will come back. Till then, bye bye students.